Hi guys, welcome to Johnny IT. My name is Callum and I'm going to show you guys how you can enable the swipe gestures that you have on an iPhone on a Samsung A14, on my Samsung A14. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings, we're going to scroll down to display, and then we're going to scroll down to navigation bar, and then we're going to select swipe gestures. Now, as you can see, we've got the swipe gestures that you find on an iPhone. So if I swipe up, it closes it exactly the way as it does on the iPhone. So I'll just show you one more time. As you can see. Now, if you want the regular buttons back, you go to settings, you go back to display, back to navigation bar, and you select buttons, and as you can see, your buttons are back. And that is how you get the swipe gestures on any Samsung Samsung A14 phones. Like and subscribe to Johnny IT and turn on the bell so you don't miss any notifications, and thank you for watching.